Why invest in Bandhan Business Cycle Fund? The fund will have a 360-degree approach to investing, which entails analyzing the economic cycles, the market cycles, and the sector cycles. Now, what does each of these actually mean? When looking at an economic cycle, we intend to actively monitor 40 plus macroeconomic indicators like GDP, interest rates, employment data, inflation, currency, export-import, political stability, among others. The trends of these parameters will help us identify trends in the economy. Equity market cycles would include analyzing earnings, valuations, and capital flow, among others. Each sector would have key drivers like demand supply, profitability, capacity addition, and so on. These will be looked at along with the bottom-up approach for stock selection. The stock selection strategy, the fund will adopt a bottom-up stock selection approach where we will look at three key main things: management quality, company fundamentals, and valuations. So what is it that we look for under management quality? It would mean efficient capital allocation, pedigree of the management, sustainable moat of the business, related party transactions, alignment with the minority shareholders, etc. Company fundamentals would include analyzing quality and resilience of earnings, return ratios, among others. And lastly, looking at valuations on an absolute and relative basis. Active management. The fund will actively manage sector allocations and look at substantially deviating from the benchmark, which is Nifty 500 index. For example, the top 5 sectors in Nifty 500 index comprise of 60% of its weight, with banks at 20% and industrials, discretionary, materials, and tech each at approximately 10%. Our approach would involve deviating substantially in at least 3 of the top 5 sectors. Like an example, if building the portfolio today, we would probably maintain a neutral position on banks and IT, be meaningfully overweight on industrials and utilities, and meaningfully underweight on materials. This strategy indicates that we will use the approach of dynamic sector allocation and deviation from the benchmark index, while the fund will be diversified across large, mid, and small caps without a specific bias. Our active fund management approach will ensure flexibility and responsiveness to the market dynamics.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.